Howdy, y'all, and welcome to the Luxor Hotel and Casino in fabulous Las Vegas. We're going to take you through a hotel room inside the pyramid. That's right, it's a real pyramid, and the interior really shows off its dizzying heights.
That makes me dizzy just looking at it.
Tell us in the comments if you've ever been to Vegas for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. You need to subscribe to win, and we're less than 100 subscribers away from drawing that winner. The complete rules are linked in the description. Good luck! Inside the pyramid, most of the rooms are accessed by an inclinator instead of an elevator. It goes diagonal up the side of the pyramid, and it's a little unsettling. We're in a Pyramid Premier King room. Right off the entrance is the bathroom. The room has a full-sized mirror to help you get ready. We'll be back to talk about this later, but you can probably already see why. You'll find this room safe inside one of the nightstands. The desk drawers are huge. Instead of a closet, you have an armoire, and ours only had 6 hangers. Dresser drawers are nice enough, but the refrigerator door is not very nice. Getting a fridge is an extra $25 a night, and there's also no microwave. And since we've started pointing out disappointments of the room, let's keep going. This windowsill looks terrible, and I was hoping it was a reflection of the dust from the outside. Nope, it looks like this hasn't been cleaned in months. Super gross. And while we're here, the tint on the windows is peeling off. Speaking of super gross, let's take a closer look at that mirror again. It's cracked, chipped, and broken. And honestly, I don't want to try to guess what that white splash is. How do you even reach that high, dudes? And the sides could use a little work too. The TV doesn't have a guide, making your channel surfing 1990s style guesswork. And speaking of the 90s, is this even HD? Look at this. It's terrible. And without a fridge, I had to get creative. It's unbelievable to not have a fridge. Do you feel like you need a pick-me-up at this point? Let's give you something for free. Visit ridetheteacups.com, click the search icon, then type Tunes26 into the search bar in all caps to get your freebies. You'll find the music in the Tunes app. And if you like the music and want even more, join our brand new membership right here on YouTube. Your $5 monthly membership will get you special badges, exclusive emoji to use on our channel, and 10 new tune downloads every single month. That is the best deal we'll ever have on tunes, including when we run sales. So join the party today. Now let's count the power outlets. We'll start with the 2 in the bathroom. And I'm always glad to find this, another 2 on the wall side of the bed. The nightstands have 1 here in the lamp and another on the opposite side. Hidden on the side of the desk is 1 more available outlet, and there's also a hard-to-reach one underneath on the left side of your screen. There's another 2 here next to the armoire. It looks like 4, that's just the reflection. And finally, under the 90s TV are the last 2. Some of our friends stayed in the towers at Luxor wet instead of the pyramid, and their rooms didn't have a filthy mirror or unclean windowsill. Maybe those rooms are better options? And while I paid a premium for WrestleMania weekend, you can often find these rooms in the $50 range. That might change the value proposition and makes the $25 fridge a little more palatable. So what do you think? Would you stay here? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Up next, check out why we stayed here with our WrestleMania 42 secrets you didn't see on TV. Or check out our family's normal content with our stay at the Disneyland Hotel. Thanks for watching. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.